Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. So I have videos that I'm going to present to you that are being talked about on social media. First things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show how a man had been robbed of a chain that was around the man's neck. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. And the situation might be considered as a armed robbery because the video shows when one person was holding something that looks like a gun. Now let me explain some more before I present the video to you. So the video shows when two persons entered a building, and then the video shows when a person who was inside of a motor vehicle entered the same building. The video shows when one person pulled or hold something that looks like a firearm, and the video shows when one person hold on to a chain that was around a man's neck and pulled on the chain that was around the man's neck, causing the chain to pop from around the man's neck. So I got the understanding that those two persons left the building or the premises after what they had done. In my point of view, those two persons was involved in what is called a robbery. Totally dishonest, totally not right, viewers and subscribers. See me I say? And I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness to each and everyone. You see me I say? Anyways, I want to take a look at the video and tell me what I think about the situation that I can see in the video. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, pay close attention to this video. Alright? If you look at the video, you will see when two persons entered a building or the building, you see? Now look at the video, you can see where someone is going to enter the building now, see? Alright? Look at the behavior of the first two persons who entered the building now. Look at their behavior. See? You see that? It's unfair to know that you work for what you want, and then you have some people, not all, some people who some people call criminals, who will hurt you for what you work for, even if you get it as a gift. Some people, I want you to tell me what you think about that situation. And I want to say to each and everyone that you should always do what is best to protect yourself or to save your own life. You can always buy back material things, but you cannot buy life. Now, before I move on to another video, I want to say to each and everyone that if you like the way how I present videos to you, please share, and if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show someone with long hair that some people might call locks or dreadlocks. And in the video, the person who you can see with long hair or what some people might call locks or dreadlocks was saying some disrespectful words about at least one person. In the video you can hear when at least one person said some words about the person who you can see in the video with long hair that some people might call locks or dreadlocks. Viewers and subscribers, based on some words that you're about to hear in the video, I would like you to tell me what you think about the situation, and please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Come on, pressure dirty locks.
Dirty like your sowa crutches, girl. I mean, you're not dirty like your crutches, girl. What's happening? I do not show much how often you watch your crutches, know what me a dirty. Right. When I come among people smell now, we are stink. I dress you. If your man in my fire, came me address you because you pass the next. Never change, nobody disrespect me. Until the little baby you and respect in the courthouse.
Wow. Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I want to make it very clear that I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. However, in the video, you can hear at least two persons using Jamaican accent when they were talking to each other. I'm just pointing that out, viewers and subscribers. This video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle crashed. Some people might say that the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident, viewers and subscribers. See? The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a motor vehicle that crashed into something that is made of concrete. I don't have any confirmed information to determine if there was any fatality, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured. However, at least one person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person said that them gone to hospital. So me as a viewer and subscribers, now I'm not able to confirm if every word that a certain amount of persons said in the video are accurate or if they are true. However, the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Accident in the morning, around 8 people, but the good Samaritan who can tell you everything, boy, the man your name saved the world. See me, where's that now, General?
What you want me to say more than me save the people then they go in the hospital? What you want me to do?
Good you
What do you want me to do?
What them always say?
See them.
But them always say when accident people take out them phone and a video, but you don't do that.
You know me not like 6 people mash up on it, nothing on the driver. That me not like.
Say go. You know like that part here. Driver always. Driver always up so tight, man.
And the whole of the people they mash up. Everybody mash up going to hospital.
What you mean say now?
The driver never get that shit.
It's a good vibe for you. Can see this in the early morning and come save the people them out of accident like that. Look on the vehicle. Why you have a name, you know, brother? Tell them your name again.
My name is SAVTHEWORLD. Save the world.
Save the world. And a joke people, a serious thing. Around 8 people a man take out of that.
Then just gone to hospital.
Another fun thing. Great save the world. Yeah, man. See me? Look on them good people. Save the world this. Him save the people them. Send him to the world.
They don't miss no money. They don't miss no phone. They don't miss nothing at all. Because the right person come meet the accident. To take care of them. Nothing they don't miss. Hey, you can play a certain place for Hill and Polo.
Well, no matter about that now, we have to say the greatest thing you do still. The greatest thing you do. 8 people out of a crash van.
That's true, man. For real.
You're blessed in the road. Other people that take out them phone and a video, you not do that.
You mad?
You just run, come down the road.
You see the people them gone.
Hospital them gone.
Yeah.
So them alright, them mash up our wall. None of them.
One of them broke up about 20 pieces. One of them foot broke up about 100 pieces. One lose back, one lose shoulder, one lose teeth, face. The people them mash up bad, man.
Wow, save the world.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if those words that at least 2 persons said in the video are accurate or if they are true. You understand me? But the video has been talked about on social media. So based on what you hear and what you see in the video, I would like you to tell me what you think about that whole situation. And to each and every motorist out there, please drive safely on the road and do your best to prevent accidents and so forth. You understand me? I know that sometimes accidents do happen and might not be the fault of any drivers or so forth, but nevertheless, try your best to be careful and drive safely for yourself and for others. Viewers and subscribers, I think here's where I'm going to leave it, so big up, respect and manners to each and every one, and let me know what I think about those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.